Introducing iDATAPP Video Repair, your solution to recover lost or corrupted data from your videos. Harnessing groundbreaking technology, get your videos restored flawlessly at just a few clicks. Preserve the original quality of your videos. By using a reference video, our system expertly maintains its resolution, frame rate, and bitrate in the repaired one. Any inconsistencies? Don't worry, we've got you covered. They will be promptly highlighted for replacement. Your privacy is our priority. With iDATAPP Video Repair, your files and private information are completely secure, giving you a smooth and safe video repair journey without any intrusive ads or viruses. Enjoy broad compatibility with iDATAPP Video Repair. From multiple movie file types such as MP4, MOV, or 3GP to addressing a wide array of video problems, even supporting a multitude of devices, the software gives you total flexibility. Experience effortless operation with iDATAPP Video Repair. Simply follow 3 steps and enjoy free video repair, astonishing speed, and a high success rate. Don't wait, give it a go and experience the magic of effortless video repair.